for this quantity of glitter. Pour it in and mix with a wooden stick. Make sure to transfer the eyeshadow into an empty container before the wax turns hard. Add a festive top. Make it look like a snow globe. Measure the diameter of the top. Take a clear plastic Christmas ball. Take off the clip. Mark the size of the top. Heat a knife and cut out a round hole. Make hot glue snowdrifts on the top. Apply clear nail polish and sprinkle with glitter. Attach a little embellishment. Make sure it doesn't stick out of the top edge. We've taken a Christmas tree. Embellish the tree with rhinestones and colored glass to imitate Christmas ornaments. Put glitter in the ball. Pour in a water and glycerin solution in equal proportions. Attach the top to the snow globe. Decorate the seam with glittered hot glue. Take the snow globe top and the eyeshadow container. I'm amazed at her Christmas makeup, but she doesn't want to share it. Well, then I don't need it at all. While my friend's busy doing her makeup, I can steal her candy cane. Or it's not a candy, but a makeup pencil. Wrap air-dry clay around a makeup pencil. Smooth it carefully. Cut off the excess clay near the cap edge. Stick a curved part to the cap. Cut out red or pink decorative tape in half to get a thin strip. Attach it in a spiral pattern. This candy cane can be the envy of any sweet tooth. What about a lipstick candy? The red and white stripe pattern is a fashionable trend in this Christmas season. Melt dark red lipstick and lip balm in separate cups. Pour the dark red lipstick into an empty lipstick tube. Set it aslant. Let it cool in a freezer. Pour in a layer of the lip balm. Refrigerate it and repeat a few times. We've got a festive candy-like lipstick. Open the lipstick. It's gorgeous! Does my friend want to try it as well? She pretends she doesn't care. Whom are you lying to? Finally, she grabs my lipstick to do her lip makeup. Don't forget to give it back! Well, why is my friend's makeup so lovely and festive? Does she purchase it at the elf store? I should follow her to learn. Aha! She sits on a bench. Perfect! It's time to start my surveillance. Oh, she turns around. I quickly hide behind a tree, pretending I'm a Christmas pine. Okay, she hasn't seen me. I'm waiting for her in an ambush inside this mysterious castle. She enters, and I nearly catch her. Run, darling, run, and I'll follow you. A merry-go-round pursuit. It's the most epic action scene of the movie. I follow the Christmas makeup owner riding a horse. She notices that I'm on her tail. She increases her sleigh speed up to a maximum level. Come on, my horse, let's chase her. If I only had all this amazing Christmas makeup, I would immediately get in the Christmas spirit. I'd shine like a Christmas tree. But I'm just dreaming. I've got neither a snowman, nor a candy cane, nor an icicle. And I've never known where she gets it. Okay, I'm not so frozen-hearted as she thinks. I've made a present for her. She opens a gift box and takes out a firecracker. Cut an empty roll of foil in half. Measure out a tube to fit a cream foundation bottle. Put in a coiled paper strip. Trace the tube on a piece of paper. Make cuts around it. Place the tube in the center. Attach the cutouts to the walls, making the bottom of a firecracker. Cover the other end in the same way. Use baking paper this time. Attach a piece of twine to the tube. Print out a Christmas picture and attach it to the firecracker as a decoration. Be sure to make a round cut so you can open the foundation. My friend's upset because she doesn't understand it's her Christmas makeup present. She pulls the cord and nothing happens. I show her how it works. She's excited. She's having her own Christmas makeup at last. She enjoys using her firecracker. How little we need to be happy. Did you like our Christmas makeup ideas? Write in your comments what way you decorate your favorite makeup for Christmas. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell so you won't miss the most interesting videos.